this rough day on the island of Sodor, two terrorists have been terrorizing the railway at every station for the past week. Now their last target is at Elsbridge. "Alright, laddie, what should we do?" asked the first terrorizer. Let's throw a bike onto the tracks. I heard there was a train coming here." "Good idea. Let's throw it." And so they did. Meanwhile, James was going towards Elsbridge station, and he didn't know about the bike. Now this is a life. Wait, what is that? That's a bike! Oh no! Driver, stop! Oh no! I can't stop! Ugh, the brakes must be jammed. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Wait, the coaches have emergency brakes! But it was too late. Luckily, no one was hurt, but sparks flew into the air. The passengers were terrified. They feared that there would be smoke. "We did it! We saved the day!" "Save the day?" said a passenger. "You just terrorized Elsbridge!" "Oh, and that'll be our next plan," said the first terrorists. Meanwhile, Thomas was walking towards the station, and he didn't know about the terrorist either. Ah, this is lovely. "Hey, Thomas, I see a gun!" And then the terrorist shot the coach. Oh my gosh! "Ah! I've been hurt!" said a passenger inside Bob's coach. "You monster! What have you done?" said Thomas. "Oh, well, we were bored, so yeah." "Oh, I've heard of you guys. You have terrorized every station on this island." "Ha, I am proud of it." Soon the medics came. "Alright, 1, 2, 3, lift!" And then the injured passenger went into the ambulance. "Oh, great, Thomas. Now they got you." "Ugh, it's not my fault. I didn't know either," said Thomas. Whatever. Soon the terrorists are about to unleash their final plan. "Alright, let's set it up." "Hold on, you don't even know what our last plan is." "Oh." But then the police came. "Oh, yo!" And then the attack starts. All the passengers watched and were amazed. "Come on, get your hand here." "Oh no, I won't," said the terrorists. But he didn't know Gordon was coming. "I am the fastest engine on Sodor," said Gordon proudly. But he didn't know about the attack. Soon he saw it. "Oh my god! Driver!" And then one of the cops accidentally pushed one of the terrorists. And then Gordon ran one of them and killed them. Luckily, the brakes were applied on Gordon's train, but it was too late. Gordon ran over the terrorists, and now they died. "Well, it serves them right," said Gordon. "You darn right you are," said his driver. "Come on, Bob, let's get your window fixed," said Thomas. "Oh, I love my window to be fixed," said Bob. And then Thomas puffed away. Hours later, Sir Topham Hatt came. James, there have been stalled here for quite a long time. Please move. Well, I can try, sir. And James tried to puff away, but there was a small explosion. What was that? Exclaimed James. Well, James, now you have to go to the works, along with your coaches. Oh, very well, sir.